Ever wish you could make your website stand out in search results and give search engines all the right information? Today, we're diving into how to use Google Tag Manager, or GTM, the ultimate tool to push structured data markup, also known as schema, to your website first. Let's identify what schema is. Schema markup is the structured data vocabulary that helps search engines understand the content on your website, which can result in richer snippets in search results. To get started, you'll need to access your website's Google Tag Manager account. Next, create a new tag in GTM. A tag is a snippet of code, so we're going to create a new custom HTML tag. Think of it as a container for your schema markup code. Then, copy and paste your schema markup into the HTML section of the tag. After pasting in your schema markup, you'll need to create a trigger to tell GTM when to fire the tag. Essentially, the trigger defines the condition under which the tag should be activated. Common triggers include all page views or specific page views, like those that pertain to product pages or blog posts. Choose the appropriate trigger based on the schema you're implementing. For example, if the schema markup is for product details, the trigger would fire on product detail pages. Then think about using variables. Variables are useful in many scenarios. In the scenario that you have a product page, the product's name will be available through a variable. Within the schema markup, you can dynamically add the product name using this variable. Once you've set up your tag and trigger, it's time to preview and test. Use GTM's preview mode to navigate your website. Check that your tag fires correctly on the pages you specified based on the trigger. Preview mode allows you to simulate the deployment without actually publishing. By adding schema markup to your website, you are providing search engines with a clearer understanding of your content, increasing the likelihood of rich snippets appearing on search engine results pages, or SERP. Schema markup is really helpful for SEO. Go implement your schema markup today.